Hey, what is up, you guys? I have the flip phone that we reviewed back in April that is waterproof and dustproof and shockproof. Now, in case you guys were wondering, are you making this up? Here's the proof. Here you guys go. See, it's on. It's perfectly fine. It actually is waterproof. I'm doing this within reason. I'm doing it to prove to you that it's waterproof. Put the sink to a good level. How high should we get it? No, it should be a little bit more. Look. See? It's still working. It's still So, there's the proof. There's the proof. If my hand can handle it, a waterproof military flip phone, Casio G's1 can handle it. See, it's not working. See, it's not busted or anything like that. Merry Christmas.